Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Starting off our day with fog and a few showers still left over. You can see the reduced visibility right now in North Scituate as a result here of the higher humidity and warm air pushing in. It's almost 70 degrees in Providence right now, 70 Newport and 72 degrees in Westerly, while New Bedford's in the upper 60s. On the radar, you can see these scattered showers kind of blossomed overnight, a few briefly heavier showers. We get in a little closer here. We have an area of downpours just over the border in coastal Connecticut. We'll be keeping an eye on that as it shifts into Rhode Island, and then another area of showers over Aquidneck Island, Little Compton, and heading into the New Bedford area. So you may occasionally need to turn your wipers on if you're out the door early this morning and jumping in the car. Dew points, they're running higher back to the upper 60s, and they'll continue to climb. We're looking at dew points around 70 degrees today, and that high humidity is going to stick around all through the rest of the week and even early next week. So this morning, plan on a sticky start. Low clouds, fog early this morning will gradually give way to breaks of sunshine. As the skies brighten up, the temperatures warm up. So by 11 o'clock in the morning, we're almost back to 80 degrees. Warmest spots today will be away from the cooling breeze off the water. So coastal areas actually going to climb close to 80 for highs in Narragansett, Westerly, and Charlestown, with temperatures in Newport near 80 for a high. Inland spots middle 80s in East Providence and Woonsocket, Burrillville at about 84, West Warwick in the middle 80s, and we'll see highs in the mid 80s in Seekonk, Attleboro, Taunton today, lower 80s in Fall River, New Bedford, upper 70s to near 80 in Westport. Right along the shore, if you're headed to the beaches, clouds and some sun. Do have to watch for some patchy fog at the beach. There is a moderate rip current risk across our south-facing beaches for today. That means you're going to need to use some extra caution in the water, and certainly listen to lifeguards for where swimming is safe. On the bay, south-southwest winds gusting to 25 knots. That's going to build our wave heights to 2 to 3 feet. A little fog this morning, an isolated shower reducing visibility, but things will improve as the day goes on. Here's that forecast at noontime. Still some patchy low clouds around, breaking for partial sun as we head into the afternoon hours. Isolated storms will start to fire up across western and northern New England. We'll be keeping an eye on these. Notice where they are still at 5 o'clock in the evening. As they approach southeastern New England, we do expect them to weaken, but this evening could get a passing shower or a thunderstorm mainly north and west of Providence. And then tomorrow morning, another day where we start with some fog. That fog thins out to partly sunny skies, and there's another chance for an isolated storm late tomorrow afternoon. Tonight stays warm and humid, going to be pretty uncomfortable for sleeping the next few nights. Still watching that area of low pressure off the Carolina coastline now, kind of disorganized, but the National Hurricane Center is still giving it about a 40% chance of developing. Bottom line for us, it's going to bring a period of heavier rain from Friday into Saturday. Timing wise, it depends on which computer model you look at, but bottom line is it does look like we start the weekend unsettled. So not all of Friday rain out, but we do expect to see some showers and thunderstorms developing. There'll be heavy downpours that'll linger into Saturday. Then Sunday looking mainly dry, just an isolated shower or thunderstorm popping up in the middle 80s for highs. Full